Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Excel in Excel, and today we are going to learn how to find out remainder if you divide a particular number with another digit, or deriving power, or finding square roots of numbers. I have kept 3 columns for each of the function for the better understanding. Let's start with remainder first. Suppose we want to find out the remainder for column A, then we will have to apply the formula of MOD. In my example, I want to divide my numbers in column A by number 3. So I will type equals to MOD, then tab. I will select the number and then I will select the number by which I want to divide my data. In my example, I will divide it by 3 and then enter. And as you can see, I have got the remainder for all these numbers if I divide it by 3. Now if I want to apply the formula of power for the data against column A, I will apply the formula of power. Then I will select the area where I want to apply this formula and I will select the number of power that I want to give it to them. In this case I will apply 2 and then enter. As you can see, the square of 3 is 9. If I apply the same formula to all the data using ctrl+v, then I will get the power or the square of all the numbers which are given in column A. Now instead of finding the power, I want to find out the square root of all the numbers in the column C. I will apply the formula of power again, but this time I will use 1 by 2, that is the square root is half the power, and then I will press enter. And now as you can see, I have got the square roots against each of the numbers in column C. But in case you want to apply the cube root, then you will have to select the data by using power and then type 1 by 3 because it's the cube root and enter. You will get the cube root of all the numbers by applying the same formula. Considering the power again, you can apply the same if I want to have root of 4, root of 5, or any number. I hope this video was very useful for you. Thanks for watching.